Hello, if you are wondering if you can hide a layer on your Canva project, then the answer is no, you cannot really truly hide a layer. However, you can reposition it and move it forward or backward. So for instance, I have three elements over here. I have these two rectangles that are gradients and this text. And for instance, if I want to hide this text, I can right click it and then go to layer, and then over here I can choose send to back. And now, as you can see, it is, let's say, hidden, right? But what if I want to bring it back? Well, it might be hard to actually do so over here because, well, I can, for instance, move everything in order to reveal it. However, if I don't want to do so, if I don't want to change the position of other elements, if I want to bring it back, what I can do is go to position. So click on the position over here. First, of course, you have to select any element on your project, on your page, and then go to layers over here. And here, as you can see, you have every layer that you have on a page. So this is, of course, the text that I have moved to the back. And if I want to bring it to the front, I can click over here and then drag it to the top like so. And then it is once again back at the top. So if you want to hide something, then of course you can just move it to the back and hide it behind another object, another element. But if you want to truly hide your layer, then there is no way to actually do so. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!